welcome to tutorial for Energy High by Machel Montano. Let's get started. Single, single, double step. That is our course. We go right, left, top, double, right. Left knee comes out. And we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the theme. Now on those knee ups, we're also going to lift our arms, raise the roof, and keep the energy high. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more times. Tap, 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 tap. Let's get going with that first. So we're going to start with rocking on the right foot, pulling the heels. We're going to go right, pull, left, pull, right, pull, left, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to take that right foot across. We're going to rock it. 1, 2, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha. 1, 2, step, turn, and clap, clap. Now, on those little rock steps, we're going to take the arms away, down, away, down, away, prepare, turn, clap, clap. We're going to put those two together. Now on the first little heel pull, the first time through, we're just going to be pulling those arms back. On the second time through, we're going to take those arms side to side, kind of the caveman move. So as you start, you go down, right arm comes up, and then you just keep the arms going. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, 2, rock, rock, prepare, turn, clap, clap, to repeat. Let's see that first verse facing the front. So on that right foot. We go. I'll do it 2 times through. The first time with just the pull arms, the second time with those change arms. So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, 2, tap, tap, rock and turn, clap, clap again. 2, 3, 4. This time we can change arms. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hop, hop. And you can hop 7 on there. So just after that, jump, jump, the double clap. We're going to take it up to the mirror. We're going to start with the left foot. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. The arms are going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. And the hips are going to twist. We're also going to jump here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to take it back right foot. Right together, left together, right together, left together. Now those arms are, as you start with the right foot, the right arm punches up. So as you land, it punches up. Punch, punch, punch. Together arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see those two put together. So, second time through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, tap, tap. 1, 2, turn. Up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Punch, punch. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To go right into chorus. Keep the energy high, high. Tap, 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 tap. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after the first chorus, we go right back into verse 1, which is the heel pulls and the arms. All the way up through the mirror, cha-cha-cha, back for 2 times through. Then we go to the chorus again, then verse 2. This is a little chasse step. We're going to go up and back, up and back, up and back, up and back. Arms are going to come over the head. Up at the very top of the jump, we're going to smile for the photograph. Smile, and the arms come through. Smile, down, smile, down, and smile, down. Then we're going to take a little Greek right. Start with that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to the mirror, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we pony back, double right, double left, double right, double left. And we're just pushing those arms away. So we start here, going to the right, we go up, and up, and up, rock, and grapevine. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Back, back, back. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Smile. Ta, ta. 5, 6. Right foot. 1, 2, 3. Little breather. And back. 4, 3, 2. You guessed it. Energy high. And chorus. Ta, ta. So the setup for the song is verse 1, which is the pulls, the pushes, turns, clapping, up to the mirror, cha, 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 back for 4, 3, 2, 1. That repeats 2 times each. Then chorus, again from the top with the heel pulls, through the 4 back, again chorus, into the smile, chasses, grapevine ups, and pushes back, again chorus. Then again it starts from verse 1, which is the pulls, through the chorus, it ends with verse 2, chasses, smiling, grapevine, pushbacks, and one more time with the chorus, and then finally you get to breathe nice and slow with those heel pulls and take it really easy at the end of the song. So, that's all the choreography for Energy High. Let's get energy high, let's dance it.